AI workshop back. Today I'm working on a Honda Odyssey 2004. I'm changing the alternator. Let me show you where it's at. It's right here. It's on it behind all these wires right here. You got the belt, tensioner. Okay. So first thing we're gonna start off with taking all these off. Alright, just 4 bolts, and then these 2 things. And these 2 right here, you just twist them, and that's it. You don't unscrew them or none. And I forgot to mention, disconnect the battery. Safety. Alright. You got the 2 wires in the back. You got a screw holding the bracket on for the wires. And then you got your serpentine belt. So here, first, I'm going to try to take the 2 wires off in the back. That way I can take this wiring out my way. Let's see how it goes. As usually, see it's held on by a nut. Take that off, and the wire underneath, right here, is the plug. It's got a push. Wire underneath got a push button plug. Hang on. Alright, and here's the wiring. It's got a little push button on the side. I'm gonna attempt to pull that off and get the wiring off first. Alright, I got the wires off. Pulled it off. I got this out. See the little button on the side? I tried to push it in with my thumb, but I couldn't do it. So I grabbed pliers, which was so much easier. I grabbed it, squeezed it, and it came straight out. Which that was probably the easiest part of that. Now I'm gonna take off this bolt here and get the wiring out my way, and then we'll go from there. Alright. Got the wires off, out the way, see they're here. Now, I'm gonna take this brake fluid reservoir, move it out the way, but before I do that, there's a little clamp down here that's holding some of the line on. I unclip that before you get a little more clearance, but make sure you don't break the line. Alright. Okay. Not a whole lot of clearance. Alright. And the coolant reservoir. Get that out of the way. Alright. Alright, here she is. Alright. 2 bolts. 1 on top and 1 here. Alright. And here's the tensioner. The tensioner bolt is on the bottom. They say you gotta come from underneath and use a 19mm to get it to pull out the way. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna attempt to pry it out with a pry bar and try to get the belt off. And then if I have to, I'll go underneath. So you just take it, find a good spot to wedge it while breaking none, hopefully. Voila. Alright. Now, I think that's a 14mm. This is a 12. And once we unbolt that, we gotta wiggle it out because the tensioner is in the way. So we gotta try to wiggle it out through this hole. and put everything back together. Alright, I got the 2 bolts out, but that one behind the tensioner is still there. You gotta lift it up a little bit to get it fully out. If you're using a ratchet end, you can only get it out so far before you gotta take the ratchet end off and do the S with the open end, because you never get the ratchet out. And now we just wiggle it till it comes out, huh? Alright, gotta turn a little bit to get it out of there. It's out. I just got a couple more maneuvers here. Make sure you try not to break down. But if you're rough like me, you end up breaking down. Ta-da! Alright, back in it goes, guys. Let's see. Ta-da! Make sure you put the bolt in before you get the thing all the way into place. Alright, so once I got it in there, I put the top bolt in first, you know, hand tight. Then I got the second one lined up. I kind of rolled it in place. I had to play with it for a few minutes to get it all the way in there. And then tighten them back down. Use your ratchet box in if you can get it on there. If not, you keep tightening up till you can. I'm wedging on the pulleys. I probably shouldn't do that, but I am. Okay, just to get started. Well, let's take a look, make sure it's all on there. It don't look bad. Now, we'll put the reservoir back on. Coolant. Okay. Now, the wires go back on. And that's it. Okay. Alright. It's all done. Take a look. Wires are back on. Everything bolted up. And I did not have to get underneath the vehicle to do the pulley tensioner. So, that's a plus. And on the back of the alternator, the cable that comes with the car does not fit in there. See, it broke on the one that was on there. It broke for the new one too. So don't worry about it if it breaks because the wire don't fit. That's it. Thanks for watching.